Well, hello to the SWAT over here. Also, to have you out with us. I'm from Miami, Florida. My name is Marvin Alvarez. Right now, here at Best in the West on their 30th anniversary with about 150 pilots having a lot of fun. I'm actually flying over here the L-39. This is a 1/5 scale, 94 inches fuselage, 74-inch wingspan. Weight dry is about 32 pounds. Power for a 140. And this is a PMP, which is plug and play. You can either get it with the turbine or without the turbine, and the servo's already on it, so it will be an easy assembly and getting it ready for flight. His airplane has been flying for 40 years. He's flown in Top Gun, got third place with the airplane, so we've been having a lot of fun with this airplane. Basically flies about a half a throttle. It's very light of an aircraft, as that's what BVM has been always striving to do, light airplanes, and having a lot of fun here. Thank you, SWAT.